Juggling scattered information makes it tough to see what's happening in your business. Our free suite puts all your customer data in one place so you can stay organized, get more done, and grow confidently. Keep track of leads, contacts, and deals, and see all the details you need in a single view. With the right sales, service, and marketing tools, you can win more deals and keep customers happy. Keep in touch with customers with email marketing by customizing pre-built templates or designing your own branded newsletters, sales emails, and more. And whether you're closing a deal or helping a customer, you can keep the conversation going in Slack and Salesforce. When there's a support issue, you can handle cases quickly and respond with helpful answers. And with built-in reporting and analytics, see what's really going on in your business. Grow faster with the all-in-one CRM built for small businesses. Get started in minutes with Free Suite today. Visit salesforce.com/free-suite.